Did you know that your child could be earning Alaska Airline miles for free flights with no age limit? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to register your child, create your online account, and answer some common questions. Step 0. If you try to go to the Alaska Airlines website and try to register them online, you're going to get an error. What you want to do is step 1, get your phone and prepare to call this number on the screen. Step 2, the AI customer service is going to try to field your call, trying to find a human representative. What I did was just ask for a representative until they finally connected me through. Step 3, the couple times that I've been calling, the wait time has been averaging around 20 minutes. They have a lovely feature to dial you back, so make sure that you'll have your phone around with you. Once you're connected to an agent, you'll want to let them know that you want to sign up a Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan account for your child. Step 4, for the agent to register your child, you will need the following information. You'll need your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, telephone number, email address where they can reach you, your preferred departure location. Tip, talking to the agent, they said that you cannot change the middle name on the online account and you'll have to dial back in. So if your child has a middle name, make sure to add it. Step 5, the agent will now register your child with her system. It took her around 5 to 10 minutes to enter this information. She was able to then let me know that they'll be sending me an email to my registered email that I just gave them. In the email will be my child's Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan number. Step 6, once the email arrives, at the top will be your child's Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan number. Make sure to write the number in your tracker. Step 7, scroll to the bottom of your email and click the Let's Go button. This will move on to the website where you can complete the online account for your child. Step 8, per the representative, to set up the online account, you now need to click Forgot Password. Step 9, in the new page, you'll want to enter your child's personal information, select mileage plan number, and in that new field, enter the new number that you got in your email for your child. Step 10, they'll ask you to please verify your information. Select either email or phone number. I selected email. Step 11, you'll now wait for a confirmation code in your email. Once you have that, go to the webpage and confirm your identity. Step 12, now you can create a new password. I recommend using a strong password suggested by your web browser and make sure to save it. Step 13, after you've created your new password, it'll go back to the main login page where you can enter your account and password. Use your new child's mileage plan account and the new created password and click login. Step 14, you'll now see your new child's online profile account information. Now that you know how to register and create your online account, here are some common questions. Number 1, there is no age limit. You can literally sign up your baby right away after they come out of the womb. Number 2, our family had just flown to Hawaii right before this. I asked if it's possible to get credit for the miles flown for my children, even though their accounts had not been created. The representative said that you are actually able to credit flights flown to your account for your children, even though the account hasn't been created for 1 year prior. Number 3, are kids eligible for the $50 discount coupon for joining Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan? On the webpage, when you sign up on the website, there's actually one little blurb that says, oh, get $50 for a discount code that has to be used within the next 28 days, that for flights from now for up to 90 days away. I actually asked the representative that this is available for children. They talked to a specialist and they could not find any terms where it says that children are excluded. So they actually opened up a case for us and marked it to see if in the next 72 hours if they will be available. If the discount codes don't automatically credit, they were willing and really nice to actually give us a $50 discount credit. Check the comments below to see if I actually got it. As of filming, I still have not received the credit. And if you're interested on my honest take about the Alaska Airlines Visa signature, if it saves my family money or not, check out this next video.